The relationship marketing approach is quite a bit different. This approach is really based around creating long-term clients. And to do that, basically, we look at all of our touches being really personalized, relevant, and customer centric, so that every touch that we send out, whether that's an email or a direct mail, is taking information that we've gathered from previous interactions with the prospect and delivering then targeted messages based on that information. These programs are usually multi-touch nurturing programs that are based on where the prospect is in the buying cycle and what information they've provided previously, whether that's demographic, psychographic information, information about their needs, interests, or pains, and it's really targeted to that information. So let's take a look at what this looks like in a typical program. Just as before, our overall budget is $3,500, but we're going to implement a two-phase program. The first phase for our early touch will be personalized content. So we're going to create some highly segmented touches that really are personalized with the prospect's name and any other information that we've gathered in our marketing database. Now, differently in this program, because we're going to have two touches, the second touch will be nurturing. So we're going to only put $2,500 of our $3,500 budget into this, and that would result in about a 2,000 mail drop. And surprisingly, though, because you personalize, all of the research shows that you can double your response rates. So rather than generating 60 inquiries as our traditional program did, we're able to, with a smaller list size, generate 80 inquiries, and the cost per response is only $31. Now again, let's say that our sales team is able to close 20% of those, and that results in 16 sales, and for our $1,000 product, $16,000 in revenue. Now that is $4,000 more than what we had previously. Now if we take it a step further and add a nurturing step on to all of those prospects who said that they were just interested, so we're going to nurture them with a few touches, and we'll add our additional $1,000 that we had available for our budget to do this, to do 6 touches to nurture those just interested prospects. Now, because these prospects have already been in contact with our company and they've dealt with us before, generally we see much higher response rates. So let's say that we have a 35% response rate, we can generate an additional 22 inquiries at $45 per response marketing cost. Now, again, these people have been in contact with us before, and so it's likely that our sales conversion rate will be higher as well. So we can tack on another 8 sales or $8,000 in revenue and drive our marketing costs then down on those to $125. So let's look at the overall results for this program. With the relationship marketing approach, for the same investment, we had 102 inquiries total. That's compared to 60 inquiries we had in the traditional marketing approach. And our cost per response was only $34. We doubled our revenue and our sales, so rather than 12 sales, we had 24 sales and $12,000 more in revenue. So as you can see, with relationship marketing, we were able to produce 70% more inquiries and 100% more sales and revenue.